Meet Murphy Ng. After dropping out of university, Murphy wanted to live independently, but struggled to find a job in his hometown of Hong Kong. Murphy has Asperger's, a high-functioning autism spectrum disorder, which can present unique challenges in a traditional learning environment. He came across a program called Upskill Hong Kong Give, designed to help people with special education needs develop skills that make them more hireable. The program was created as a partnership between Microsoft and nonprofit organizations, including the SAHK Support Center for Autism. Upskill Hong Kong teaches its students digital skills employers are looking for, like Microsoft Excel, Power BI, and other Microsoft 365 programs. With instruction catered to his learning style, Murphy thrived in his studies and soon began helping other students with the material. Murphy now works in a data role at a trading company in Hong Kong. And the Upskill Hong Kong program at SAHK continues to serve the city with hopes of eventually serving those diagnosed with ADHD and dyslexia. Find out more at news.microsoft.com/APAC.